Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. In this story, you will learn how helping others makes everyone happy. Let's get started. Elli the little elephant lived near a wide river. He was small, but his trunk was very helpful. One hot day, the animals felt tired and thirsty. There is no water nearby, sighed the monkeys. Elli had an idea. He dipped his trunk into the river and carried water carefully. Splash! He poured water into leaves and shells. The birds drank, the deer splashed, and everyone felt happy. Thank you, Elli, cheered the animals. Elli smiled and lifted his trunk high. From that day on, Elli used his helping trunk every day, and the riverside was full of smiles and friendship. That brings us to the end of the story. Here you learned. Helping others brings you joy and friendship. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.